Whew. That is cold today. She's ready. Yeah, you can see there's quite a difference from the other day. Abby loves it. Well, it's a beautiful winter day in the field behind my house. The dogs are absolutely loving it. And I got all kinds of fresh powdered playing. What a day, what a day. Oh yeah. Look at the snow stuck to that tree. I stood right there the other day. But this is beautiful. Yeah, I stood right here the other day and thanked anybody that watched, but it looks some different. We got a good foot of snow, like I got you mounted on my chest mount that way. Just easier, hands-free. I can play with the dogs because now I got a little bit of snow. You get Abby. She's crazy and she's fun. Koopy just trucking. Oh, it wasn't long ago he used to just bound down through here like he was on a spring. His feet never touched the ground for more than a second. Just boing, boing, boing. He would just go everywhere. Look at that little snow face. Look at that. What a handsome guy. What a good boy. Yeah, he got a little cough, a little thing. Abby, leave that, please. She's like, do I have to? That a girl. No, hey. She's like, I did it. Now I'm good. Let's go do things. Let's go, buddy. Abby. Whew. I may be underdressed. Although I got some layers on. But that wind is fierce. Look at the snow clinging to those trees. The wind that we've had, that shouldn't really be there. Whew. My heavens. Oh, there's your dad was looking for you. Look at that one. Everything it can do just to hold on. Cooper's just, he likes it, but I think he's thinking about the coach right now too. He's like, is this really necessary? We could do this in the springtime maybe. Oh, buddy. It's important you get your energy and your exercise, bud. Might not be that long of a walk today, buddy. It's quite deep snow for my man. For my man of the hour. Abby's like, nonsense. You speak such nonsense. That's awesome. I don't know. Look at all these trees down through here. Just almost laid right over. Well, that poor dude is. Ooh. Heavy guy on thin ice. Yeah, it's not hard to tell which direction the wind was blowing from. It was definitely coming from the northeast. North. Wow. Whoo-hoo. I don't know. I got the urge I need to kind of get a walk under this. That's awesome. Yeah. I feel like I'm in my own little world here. Yeah, people would probably agree. What do you think, buddy? That's a pretty neat little spot, isn't it? Huh? What a neat little spot. Everything's laid right over. Next week, this will just probably won't even catch your eye the slightest. But wow. Hey. That's pretty. That's fit for a postcard. Huh? Just like your handsome smile, man. Huh, buddy? And he's walking in his sister's tracks. He's working smarter, not harder. But what a day. Yeah, definitely got to take advantage of something like this. Can't let that pass you by. I feel like I'm in the thick of a forest and then turn to the right and it's open farm field. That was awesome. The magic of winter, huh? You can hardly see the fence. Oh. Yeah. I wonder what up on top of the mountain looks like. Up Valley View, or I don't know whether I dare go on the Harvest Moon Trail. I imagine there's I imagine the snowmobilers have been waiting for days like today where there's a decent amount of snow where they can actually finally get on it, or at least start grooming it, because it seems like this is gonna stay. It's looking like this snow is gonna stay for a little while for us. And back there, if you can make it out on top of the South Mountain, that would be like out West Dalhousie way. You can see it's might not be blue skies, but there's a little bit of sunshine. The weather system is definitely riding right up through the, not necessarily a whole weather system, but this cloud cover, this low ceiling we got is definitely kind of coming right up through the valley. It'll do that. It'll act like a hallway. Look at this poor tree. The wind got him. What do you think, Abby? Are your toe beans a little cold? No. Never. She says, don't speak such silliness. Koopy's walking right in my tracks. Ain't you, Betty? Yeah. He's like, okay, make some more tracks for me. I would like some more tracks, thank you very much. All right, sir. We will do this. Yeah. He's 100% like right directly behind me. I love it. He's cute. Excuse me. He deserves it. I'll break paths for him. Abby zigzags too much for anybody to follow that path. You can see a little more of the surroundings today. It's the same field that I was in the other day, but my goodness, like, that's gorgeous. I love the peace of winter. I don't know. It's just different. I don't know whether it's the absence of the leaves rustling, and it's just that sound of the wind, just raw wind. Whatever it is, I love it. What you got, Ab? What she got over here? It's probably just a mound of crabgrass or something. It's nippy, but once you're moving, honestly, after about 5 minutes, I didn't notice it. It's just become a nice walk. A day like today, all these trees kind of breaking the wind for me. That's a huge plus. I don't know what she just alerted on. Abby, come. Hey. Atta girl. There's no tracks. There are cats and stuff that have been in this field. Actually, one year there was a massive snowdrift up there. I think it was the year before last, when Abby was just a puppy. Well, not a puppy, but she was a little bit old. She was 7 months old at that time. Something like that. But we were in the snowdrift playing at the back of the yard by the fence, the big tall fence post where I come through. And my wife came out onto the deck and told us to come inside. She just kind of subtly waved her hands. And there was a big cat. I don't know if it was a bobcat or what. But it was a big cat just on the other side of the fence. And the snowdrift we were in was big enough that it couldn't see us, but it knew there was something on the other side, because it come out and it went across one way and then went back across the other way. Yeah. It was pretty crazy. Pretty crazy to think about that something like that was that close. Come on, Abby. Yeah, I think we'll head back now. But it could have been something interesting. Oh, look at this. We got a bridge back in here. Oh, tell me what? Are you serious? Oh, I'm way too underdressed to go across there today. But I talked about this the other day in our video, and when I was down here, that yeah, there used to be a bridge right there for the snowmobilers. Awesome. Jackpot. Now I can hit the Harvest Moon Trail. Huh? Tell me what? That's awesome. I don't know who did that. I got a feeling I do. Probably this Neewer club or snowmobile club. But that's awesome. Oh, a little bit of wind coming now. Snowfall. Yeah. So I'll have to put on the real warm suit and come down through here now. Oh, I definitely need a skidoo. Yeah. Now that that's back there. I mean, I don't even need a trailer. You know? Boom. Boom. You know? Hit me up in the comments if you got one for sale. Or, you know? Oh. Yeah. This is me excited. Yeah, buddy. Once they go across that a couple times, we'll be able to walk across that. Huh? We might take a couple little breaks here on the way up through. Maybe up underneath these trees. Lean down across. But we'll get up here and have a little sit down and play, and other than it being cold, I'm not in that big of a hurry to get home. But I know my boy here, Koopy, he's I think he's probably thinking a little bit different. But we get a good little walk for him. Hey, my boy. Yeah. Abby was built for this, so she waits all year for today. And Cooper's at his beach stage. Margarita and some sunshine. That's my man. Whew. That's brisk. What an absolute unit. Look at that thing go. I gotta get a way to gear this on her. Huh? What do you think of that? I got replacement lenses, so I'm not really worried about her being her. But in this snow, I think that would be something to get a little bit of You're never gonna know what's in her mind, but look at that. Look at her. From chaos to beauty. Just sitting under that tree like she knows. You know. She's like, yeah, I know I'm beautiful. Chaos to beauty. Blink of an eye. Hey, bud. Come here. You see your paw? Abby. Relax. Did you see your paw? Ooh, you got some extra toe beans. Abby's fur is a little bit different. Hers, like I said, she's kind of made for this stuff. But he gets a little bit clumpy. He's got a little wave to him. He gets a little clumpy sometimes. And a boy. He's a handsome guy. Look at you. Arr. What a rig. She says, okay, and we're off. And I think we're going to end it here. Just a short little walk. Because I think we're going to sit down up here and have a little play, and I think me and Cooper's gonna have a little break and let Abby run off some steam before we go back in the house. And I might break out a puzzle. I've been known to get into a couple puzzles every now and then, so I might break out a puzzle by the fire and do that for a little bit. And until then, I think me and Cooper's just gonna have a little sit down up here where it's not so wet underneath my feet. Oh, this spot right there, a little bit damp, but we'll let the little chaos run off here. Thank you for joining us. It is too beautiful not to come out today. The roads aren't really much for traveling around. A lot of ice pack on stuff today after the fresh snowfall and traveling yesterday, so we're just doing this. Anyway, thank you for joining us today, and that's it. Hopefully we see you on the next one. Say goodbye, Abby. She says ka-chow later.